office, Denise
Yes, is Denise Daniels?
speaking.
Yes, Ms. Daniels. I want to know, are you the one who sent this letter to a fictitious address?
I'm sorry?
I received a letter here, or a letter came in to a fictitious address, and I'm wondering, are you the one who sent it?
What address did I send it to and to whom?
You sent it to a fictitious address. You sent it to Joseph Anthony.
Yes, I did send correspondence to a Joseph Anthony at the address provided on the envelope that was received in his office. Correct.
So you're telling me that the envelope, you telling me you copied the address from the envelope, and that's the address that I see here on the envelope?
That is correct.
That is correct, huh? So I just want to let you know, since you are the one who sent this letter, you're the one who will be held liable for this fictitious, this fraud that you sent. I need to know what's going on with this, what's going on, because I will not accept that letter, and it will be mailed back to you. And you will be held accountable for that.
That was the only address.
No. You altered the address. You altered the address.
What do you mean I altered the address, sir?
Won't you get the envelope? Won't you get the envelope and read me the address?
Did you receive it? How you received it?
Hold on. So you want me to violate 18 U.S.C. 1342?
I'm not quite sure what it is, what your issue is, but the address that's listed on the correspondence that you sent to this office is the address that I used on my correspondence.
Are you sure? Because I'm going to return it to you. It'll be coming back to you in a couple of days, so you can verify what you're saying. But it is not the same. You altered the address. You altered.
How did I alter it?
You altered the address. That's all I'm saying.
I understand you said that. What I'm asking is, in what manner did I alter the address?
Well, if you look at the envelope that I sent, you'll see that it's altered from the original address from what you sent.
Okay, in what manner did I alter the address?
Okay, I'm gonna read to you what the envelope says over here. It says Joseph Anthony, care of 15842 Southwest, SW 27th AVE Road, Ocala, Florida 34472. Now the envelope that was sent to you, says temporary Joseph Anthony, temporary post, care of 15842 Southwest, completely spelled out, 27th Avenue, completely spelled out, road, completely spelled out, Ocala, Florida, no zip code. You altered the address.
The zip code was blanked out on your correspondence, so I had to go into the zip code locator to retrieve the zip code because it would not have been able to be mailed out without a zip code. So
let me stop you right there. Let me stop you right there, because I mailed it to you without a zip code and it got to you. So what are you talking about? Will not be mailed out without a zip code. I always send letters without a zip code. So what are you talking about?
The envelope that you sent, after it says Ocala, Florida, the zip code is blanked out. There's no zip code on here.
That was purposely done. And there was no abbreviations either. But you decided to abbreviate. You decided to leave out temporary post. You decided to alter the whole address.
Okay, but it came to you though. It still came to you.
So I should just go ahead and violate 18 U.S.C. 1342, fictitious names and addresses.
You know, sir, do whatever it is that you want to do.
No.
From this day going forward, you need to communicate with my office manager because I'm not quite sure what it is, what your issue is.
My issue is you just violated the law.
Okay, you need to say that to my office manager. You don't need to call this number any longer.
Well, what I want to know is what was in that letter? What did you send in that letter?
Whatever issues you have, you need to speak with Michael Brown, who's the office manager. You don't need to call this number anymore for any more complaints against me. Any complaints you have against me from this day forward, call the office manager.
Well, I got receptionist. I got the receptionist refusing to transfer me.
I'm sorry?
I got the receptionist refusing to transfer me.
I can't help. I can't do anything because you're calling me on my work cell. So I can't do a transfer because this is a work cell. You have to call back on the main number, and you need to speak with Michael Brown.
I've been calling the main number, and the receptionist who's answering the phone, some male, is refusing to transfer me to anybody.
Okay, because there's nothing more we can do to assist you, sir. We've responded back to your correspondence as you wanted us to, and even though you received our response, you're refusing to open the letter. So there's nothing more we can do.
You sent it to a fictitious address. You sent it to a fictitious address, and you want me to accept the letter?
You received the letter.
You want me to violate 18 USC 1342?
Whether I spell out Southwest or put SW, the fact remains you received it. So what difference does it make? You received the letter.
So then no US code, no USC code is applicable to anything?
Sir, this is what I'm going to recommend you do for the last time. I am going to recommend you call the main number and ask to speak with Michael Brown.
They're refusing to transfer me to him.
Other than that, I am going to refuse any future calls from you because there's nothing more I can do to assist you.
So you're a victim witness specialist, and you're refusing to help a victim and a witness?
No. First of all, you're not a victim of any of our cases. Second of all,
I'm not a victim. Human trafficking. I'm not a victim.
I say you are not a victim of any of our federal cases.
What do you mean by that?
Perhaps you need to get someone else that I can speak with that can explain something better to you because obviously we're not communicating effectively.
Well, who do you suggest?
What I'm getting ready to do right now, though, sir, is I'm getting ready to disconnect this call.
Yeah, and this call is being recorded for quality purposes, so go ahead and be in dishonor and go ahead and do. Yep. This is what I gotta deal with. This is what I must deal with. This bitch wants me to break the fucking law. She wants me to break United States code. That was Denise Daniels of the Victims Witness Specialist Department. She said that I was not a victim and I was not a witness. That's funny.
You have reached the United States Attorney's Office. No one is available to take your call at this time. Please leave a...
That's funny. That's real fucking funny. The letter got to the fucking, the location, didn't it? So fucking accept it. Who cares if it's in violation of 18 USC 1342? Just accept it. Become a fucking criminal. That's my job here, to make you a fucking criminal. Fucking coward ass motherfuckers.